Hey everyone, it's been a hot minute since I've recorded any kind of video or tutorial for you guys, and I'm kind of in the mood. And I've been shaking up what I've been doing with my own makeup looks for when I want to have something on but don't feel like going through my whole full coverage, full face of makeup. So I figured, hey, why not film one, show you guys what I do, and kind of get back into the groove with that. So I'm using our Very Light CC cream today. Just one pump. Sometimes I use two, kind of depends on how much coverage I want. In this case, my face is actually pretty good. I've got a couple blemishes here and there, as is my skin's wont. But that's okay. Our CC cream offers light to medium coverage, and it is excellent at color correcting. CC actually stands for complexion correcting, and its particular strength is with red tones. So if you have a bit of redness or discoloration in your skin, our CC cream is fantastic for helping kind of mute and cover and cancel out that extra redness that you've got in your skin. You may or may not be able to tell the quality of my video. My screen's probably not quite bright enough for me to see, but I'm hoping that you can kind of see, like I tend to have some sprinkles of redness on my cheeks, and of course the blemishes are a bit red. And this is not going to be an awesome concealer for acne or things like that, but it will at least help kind of tone down how bright that redness is. I'm going to try getting right underneath my eyes a little bit. I have finally announced all of the products that are coming out this fall, and we do have new under eye correctors and new concealers. I'm very excited for both of those, and I will absolutely do some demos and tutorials with those for you as soon as I have my hands on some. Very, very excited for those to come out. So okay, I feel like I probably could have done a little bit more, but I don't feel like squirting out anymore. So quick check in my mirror, make sure my mirror's over here. Make sure that I kind of got it all evenly spread out a little bit. My technique kind of varies between stippling, which is like patting it on, and then brushing it out. So not terrible. Obviously, again, more of a lightweight coverage rather than a full coverage, but for my want something on but not a ton of stuff, this is good. Next product I use is our Silky setting powder, also in the shade light, in this case light ivory for me, because I am a pale girl, and I use our big fluffy brush to put this one on. So I get a bunch on my brush and I just kind of like tap it into my skin first, like pressing it in before I start really foofing it around. To really just deposit the powder first and try and avoid it from, you know, just fluffing over into the air. I want it on my skin, not in the air or my countertop. And of course, some inevitably there will be some fallout, but that's normal. I just kind of do the initial hard press to get it on my skin first. This step is not necessary, but I like a really dry finish. Or matte finish, not necessarily dry. I don't love a shiny face for me. And our CC cream is wonderful. It does have moisturizer in it, and it also has some SPF, some sunscreen, and I think those two combined give it more of a luminous finish, and I personally don't love that for me. So I put on some powder to kind of help mattify everything. I could stop here. I always like to do mascara. I feel a little naked without it if I have something on my face but not my eyes, so I'm going to do mascara real quick. I have the Great Heights mascara. I love, love, love this one, my favorite formula by far. Got this awesome brush, and I'm going to pause it so you don't have to watch me put this on. Okay, mascara is done. Next thing I would do, either a little pop of blush or some highlighter, or both. Right now I'm going to do highlighter, and I believe this is in, oh, it's Honey Glazed. I can't actually remember, but I just got a light, fluffy, super soft little brush here, just kind of dust some onto the tops of my cheeks. And again, not sure if my camera lens is going to pick that up. It adds just a really nice subtle little shimmer and shine there. Not shine, maybe is not the right word, but anyway, you catch my drift. And then lips, of course. I have been loving our limited edition lip tint oil or tinted lip oils from this summer. This one is in the shade Berry. It's so nice. Very similar to a gloss. Just a nice light wash of color with a nice sheen. Not shimmer. A glossy sheen because it's a lip oil. Okay. I can't talk and apply lip stuff at the same time, obviously. Check in the mirror over there. Okay, good enough. And I would call that good. That is my super fast, want to have something on, look nice and put together, but get out the door in 5 minutes or less thing. If I had a little more time, I would also do eyeshadow. Our liquid eyeshadow is super fast and easy to apply. But this, little CC cream, little bit of powder if you want it, or setting spray, blush, highlight, something on the lips, good to go. Thanks for watching.